Come test drive the 2022 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, body color door handles, backup camera, heads-up display, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.